what in women attracts men? Is it just their physical body, their curves, their beauty, or is it something deeper?
I think it's individual for everybody. Everybody is different in what they find attractive. For some, it's how a person looks. For somebody, it's how they laugh. Ki, acha, we can laugh on the same things. For somebody else, it'll be ke politics par discuss kar sakein. For some, it is your financial acumen, whatever. Like this guy wrote to me saying ke, I'm excited by women who are taller than me, but hamari community mein that will never be allowed. If he did go with somebody who is taller than him, तुम सोचो उसके दोस्त उसका क्या मजाक उड़ाएंगे. It's going to be horrible, right? He will be made fun of.
Yes.
Nothing will be accepted. So we are not even allowed to like who we want to like. I still remember when I was younger, मेरे मामू के बहुत अच्छे friend थे. And he married this woman and he was very much in love with her. So in those days, I guess maybe men didn't do that much. He used to really look after her. So अगर शादी पर गए, बाकी सब औरतें लाइन में खड़े होकर अपने husband के लिए प्लेट बना के लाते थे. He would make a plate for his wife to bring it. They would all laugh at him. जोरू का गुलाम है, ये है, वो है. You know, that stayed in my mind. He was showing love to his wife.
Yes.
And all you people could do was be toxic and make fun of him. Eventually, he has gone off. He's no longer in touch with these people. He's happy with his wife. तुम लोग तो रह गए ना.
So people don't have enough freedom to just be themselves and
to
express
like who
their
they
love
like.
and
Yeah.
like who
Or
they
even to express their love, that's considered weakness.
So you said it could be different for different men. Is it normal? Is it okay to be fascinated towards someone just physically and then you don't have other equations being met? मतलब आपके political views अलग हैं, आपके intellect levels अलग हैं, IQs अलग हैं, but just आप एक दूसरे की तरफ physically infatuations है. Is it like, okay, is it enough to have a healthy relationship?
I think that it depends on what you consider that relationship to be. So ऐसे हुए हैं. There have been lots of relationships that have started with just how somebody looks. You know, oh, I like her figure. I will marry her.
So you think that this kind of relationship will last?
A relationship lasting depends on two people. Either they then grow it from there, make it something more.
Yeah.
Or for a lot of the ones that we see also, unfortunately, even the people who do get married, I know a lot of people in their 50s today, in their late 40s. The men are doing their own thing. The women are doing their own thing. They have children. They have money between them. They have mutual friends. So party pe इकट्ठे जाते हैं. But I don't think that it's particularly healthy to live like that. But some people choose to live like that and they've made a life out of it. They're okay with it.
But that's still a compromise to some extent.
There was a story that showed up recently with this guy saying that he was going out with this woman and they had a great relationship. They used to go out. They used to do all sorts of things. And finally, she decided that now has come the time to get married. And she said what she started doing was she started to cook for him. And she was making him food that he absolutely loved and really, you know, looking after him. And he said, my feelings for her changed when she started to cook for me. He said in his So this story, of course, became really viral and everybody was talking about it. You know, I always say that acha, when you are with somebody, that's different. But when you're not with that person, when you think of them, does it put a smile on your face or do you clench your teeth? I think that for a lot of people, that's where it comes down to, that when you're looked after, that feeling of somebody looking after.
How are you making them feel? There's actually a lot of noise around this that women tend to like men who are dominating, who are strong, like physically and mentally more strong, more dominating, like so-called alpha males these days. But I actually wanted to ask, is that really true?
Again, like I said, you know, there are two things. Ek to it's individual, but also it's at the age that you're at. When you're younger, the ambient narrative, this is what movies are feeding you, magazines are feeding you, the strong silent man, that bad boy, the motorbike par, you know, baal ud rahe hain, aur ladai kar raha hai sabke saath, arey wah, this all. You think you like that. As you get older, You change your mind. I mean, I can tell you, I am now 63. I can tell you, I've been through all the phases of life. I have been so besotted by this guy who had a motorbike, tall, thick hair, you know, uske baal udte the hawa mein jab wo chalata tha motorcycle. Dumb. He was so dumb. I loved him for his dumbness. I thought everything he said, he only knew one word. He used to say, kuch bhi main keh dun, heavy. ऐसे करके. I thought he was the coolest thing. I mean, I think sometimes I would not have lasted with him for 2 days without murdering him. I don't know. Anyway, wo khatam hui baat. He got to the next point of liking a different type of guy, then a different type of guy. I don't want any of those people now. I even went through a phase of really enjoying the company of guys who were so mentally stimulating that I could just sit and chat to them for hours.
Yeah.
I love that. And I was being interviewed by a guy the other day, and he was like, yeah, but you know, girls like bad boys. Yeah. They like bad boys. They want to date them. And then they want to come back to us safe guys, nice guys for long-term relationship. Why not? I mean, you do want somebody who's going to look after you and love you and be safe and secure in your background. मैं तो कहती हूँ भाई, everybody should go and date somebody like that for a little while, just to find out that that's not what you want. You don't want a man like that. You don't want to be with somebody who is like that.
So what exactly do women like about men?
No, that's what I'm saying, that it's at different times of your life that you like different things. You know, really. Yeah. And I sometimes say that mine was an arranged marriage. And at that age, when I got married at 23, I would not have picked my husband as a person.
Because then at that time, the definition of the ideal man was very different.
I wanted the guy who said, heaven.
And made your life hell.
He was so stupid. Yeah. I shouldn't say that. But yeah, I think the ultimate thing in a relationship is respect and safety. If you can respect me for who I am and you can make me feel safe, you know, where I don't feel ke har cheez mein kahungi I'm walking on eggshells, ke tum kya kahoge, will you make me feel small, will you make me feel like an idiot? Like I want safety and I want respect.
That's the ultimate things you should always look for. I think this is very important because, as you said, at different stages of life, you would be wanting different things.
Yeah.
So ultimately, real contentment or happiness hai kahan pe, it is important for you to know. So that आपको ये बताओ कि एंड गोल मीट हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा. The ultimate desire जो होनी चाहिए, is that being met or not?
Yeah. And I think, like I said, everything is different. So remember, are you being respected? Are your boundaries being respected? Is your consent being taken into consideration? And do you feel safe? Do you feel that even if I am going out with this guy and I say, yes, we're going to have sex, and then halfway through he's taking off his clothes and I say, actually, I don't want to. Is he going to put his arm around me and say, theek hai, koi baat nahi. I'm disappointed, but koi baat nahi. Or is he going to say, what the hell? You know, I want to feel safe. So that the next time around, main jhijak ke nahi kahungi ki, oh my God, should I say it? I'm frightened to say it. I want to feel safe.
Thank you so much for watching this clip, and I'm sure that you're going to enjoy the entire conversation even more. Link of full podcast is in the description below.